Hi friend, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to repair a mosquito bat. So in this video I will show you how to replace a normal alkaline battery with a lithium ion battery. So you can see friend, I will replace it with lithium ion battery, but the space is not sufficient to install the battery. So I have to cut this part to make space for the lithium ion battery. So I have to remove this part. So friend, you can able to see here that I have already replaced that part, and now there is sufficient space to install the lithium ion battery. So I have installed the lithium ion battery in its position. This type of battery will serve longer backup, and not only that, it lasts for 3 to 4 years, whereas the alkaline battery will last for only 6 months. So the installation part is totally completed. So you can see friend, it is working without any issue, and the power is also sufficient. You can see it here friend. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.